Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a home address in the Fonacab Belfast application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the person button at the top of the page on the right. And then click on the settings button. And then click on the add home button at the favorite places section. So first just enter your address, and then you can provide a nickname for this place, which is obviously home. And then you can also leave some notes for the driver, like more specific address details. And once it is ready, just click on the Save Changes button, and it is added. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.